supposed to talk to the camera. You're not a lapdog, you know that? You goof. How am I supposed to get any work done? All right. Okay, hood's turning out not too bad. What we're doing right now is we're just doing a quick block. We're gonna do the entire truck panel by panel. Nothing's coming off the truck yet. I want everything on the truck. I want it blocked out in position where it needs to be. I wanna make sure everything's met properly and stabilized exactly where it's gonna be. I learned a long time ago that never have your panels on a stand when you're trying to get in. If you're gonna try to go for a certain quality, you always wanna be doing blocking all the way down the vehicle. You wanna leave everything on here so everything is straight. You can always tell when a vehicle's been blocked in pieces or it's been blocked straight and then finaled. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm doing a quick cut, one direction right now for 120, just to break this layer open because it has been, the better part of before Maggie Valley, so April. So they think they primed all this into February, so we're almost a year. So I'm doing initial blocking, directional, I'm gonna open it up, then move to 180, guide coat, 180, make sure I take all that out, and 180 and 120 here is gonna show me exactly what I have. I dug into this. We're really good. The boys did a really nice job getting all this straight. I mean, they're really good at metal fabrication, so I wasn't too concerned about this, and I saw the process the whole way. So we're into the next layer of the primer, which I'm okay with because it gives me a chance to level things out without adding any more filler. It's got minimal in it and a lot of work has been done. So yeah, so then we got this cut already here. This is looking really good, just one single pass in 180. So that's looking really good. So my goal, just working panel to panel to panel, is to keep moving forward until we have the whole truck done, 180, and then I'll go to 220, make sure there's no body work to do. If there's any little skims or anything that I can't block out, then I will skim those and do those, and we'll have the whole thing done in 220, and then we'll go into final primer, and then we'll get to our wet sanding. So the process really shouldn't take too long. The initial pain is gonna be cutting this open right now, and it's nothing I'm not used to. This is what I want. So making sure you have really good hard blocks. We got good flexible blocks. The ones I'm using right now are my blocks from Big Kids Blocks. I have Dura blocks, I have homemade blocks. Pretty much in this industry, you just kind of make and use whatever you can find, because not every block's out there to do contours like just this little hood ridge coming up into here. Good hard blocks, do the initial cut, and then we can start moving forward and getting our curves and rounding, and it's gonna look really good. It's gonna come along, so really excited. We're gonna keep doing this. We're gonna see what we can get done today. Hopefully we can do the hood and the two fenders today. I have to leave later on this afternoon and drive back up home, which is 3 hours. I'm gonna do stop in Newstead and do some roller skating, so might even throw some of that in.
Come on, come here, come a little closer. Don't be afraid, no, I don't wanna hurt you. Little more, come near, let me just show you. Don't know, can't talk, let me just show you. Don't be obsessive, it could be.
And then we'll be ready. And then we're going to Mini Nats. And hopefully it's done. And hopefully that's done. Which Trevor is working on as well while I'm working on this. Rear end issues are figured out. Doing some rework of the bridge up top and the bag structure. So we're changing that a little bit because of the rear end now, but we don't have to shorten the rear end. We don't have to do axles, none of that stuff. If you want to follow along on that build for the 55 Pontiac for the lowrider, you can do so over on Trevor's channel at TBradFab. We're also going to be posting this video series for that one and for this Ranger project, both these build series on his channel and over at Cantuck Lifestyle. So give both those channels. We'll put links in the description below. Make sure you go and check out both those channels and subscribe, follow along. I'm gonna have some stuff over on my personal channel, kind of just what we're doing and overall stuff, but that's where you can find everything. So we're gonna get back at this thing, see how far we get. turn down the stern show just so we don't have any infringement issues. All right, just doing a lot of the hard blocking. Worked over under our driver fender. We're really good through here. We're not breaking through anywhere. We're still into primers, so we're fine here. Started just doing the rough block here just to break the skin. We're good. I will eventually be doing the tape lines. Once I start getting to the finishing point of this, we'll do the tape for the body lines, and we'll make sure all our body lines are straight, and we'll line them all up. We do have everything pretty much gapped. I did bring my gap tool with me so we can lay everything out. So we'll set the gaps. The box and the bed are mounted where they need to be, which is nice. So I'll be able to sand right through and block right through. And then, like I said, we'll do the tape line and we'll work each edge on the final, and then we'll be ready for primer. So this is gonna take a few days just to get this thing dialed in, but these guys did a wonderful job. So shout out to Trevor and Dan. Shout out to both of them. Man, and everybody else involved. There's a few other guys. I think Ben Yaw was involved and a couple others. It looks really good. It's making my job a little bit easier, which is nice. Okay, well, I think that's gonna kill me for today on this right now. We've great progress. Front fenders, except for up into here, but we gotta pop the bumper off, so I'm good that way. The hood's got no issues. Fenders have no issues. No issues. We're leveling everything out beautifully right now. So that's all a 120 pass with a hard block. And now I can come back. I'm gonna keep working 120 all the way around the truck and then come back to the next round. We're looking good. We're looking good. Mini Nats 2025. This has been accepted to be there along with all the other guys from Ontario, but keep an eye out for this truck. It was there last year, but keep an eye out for it this year because it's gonna be done. Interior, everything else underneath is already done. And if anybody's worried about the mess I'm making on those rims are mock-up rims. Stay tuned for the build, follow along, hit the like and subscribe, do all those things that everybody tells you to do. Appreciate all the support. Can't wait. Keep going on this. And this. Trevor made great progression on Aftermath today. We got everything ripped out, interiors out, gears out of inside. All the mounts and everything are all cut and ripped out. So now he's got his plans. We've gone over everything. We're ready to go. We also got our U-joint to go from my stock 55 drive shaft, which is a 1310, to the S10 rear end we're using. So we actually found that one. Neepco has it. It's a 3-3130 in case anybody needs that. It's a pretty popular GM conversion to go from old school GM to a new school GM. So that works out. So we measured it. It's good. So we figured out a lot over the last 2 days. We know what we're doing. We've got everything set. And now it's Trevor's game on to build it. Be sure to check out T-Brad Fab for more of this build going on and everything he's doing. He's going to be posting and putting up everything we're doing tech-wise, every step all the way through it. I'm going to be continuing to work on this thing, and next week some point is Christmas, I think. I'm going to come back after Christmas and keep moving. He's going to be here and getting this dialed in, and we should be good. And all for Mini Nats 2025. Nothing like crunch time on 2 vehicles. Make sure you like and subscribe here. Trevor Bradfield Fabrication at T-Brad Fab. I'll put a link down below. We'll throw the thing right here, somewhere in here. And also stay tuned over on Cantuck Lifestyle. That is another channel that we deal with, that we partner up with when we're doing builds and stuff. That's an automotive apparel and lifestyle video vlogs, LST, Maggie Valley, D&D, every show you can think of for cars, trucks, lowriders, mini trucks, everybody. So make sure you go and check them out. I'll throw the thing here somewhere. And that's it for us. We're going roller skating. Thanks for watching. Check out some more videos. We'll see you in the next one.